House lawmakers further scrutinized the OVP spending of its confidential funds. This after they learned that Vice President Sara Duterte's office spent 16 million pesos in just 11 days. Receipts from the OVP to the Commission on Audit or COA revealed that they spent up to 1 million pesos to rent a safe house. COA admitted to have no knowledge about the safe houses the OVP rented since they used their secret funds for this. House Committee on Good Government Representative Joel Chua criticized the OVP for seemingly spending on safe houses that are more expensive than a luxury resort.
Hindi po ba kayo nagtaka na sobrang mahal nun, yung 1 million in just 4 days? Anong klase pong safe house to? May swimming pool po ba tong safe house? May wifi? Sa BGC? May pakikita po ako sa inyong isang resort sa Shangri-La. Shangri-La, Boracay. Per night po nito is 22,500. This is a high-end luxury resort. It is just 25,000 per day. As compared po natin dito sa 1 million.
Ngayon yung 11 days na binabanggit, hindi po kasi meron pang bagong may computation din dito.
Iba pa to eh.
Iba pa to. In computation ito, in December 2022 alone ha, rental payments total daw 8.75 million. Pero it might not be staggering sa inyo. Take note of the days. 3.7 million for December 27. Isang araw lang yan. 2.6 million for December 28. Isang araw din yan. 2.4 million for December 29. Isang araw din yan. So kung ito total mo daw yan, di ba, 8.75 million pesos from December 27 to December 29. Tatlong araw yan.
Wow.
8 million for 3 days.
Oo, grabe. Ito nga lang, di ba, tignan mo lang yung isang safe house. Although hindi pa nila sinasabi kung some particular safe houses yan, di ba? Sa isang safe house lang dito, sinabi nila 250,000 a day. Nagstay sila doon ng 4 days. So, nagbayad sila ng 1 million. Yun na lang. And yet, we are talking about yung mga kababayan natin na nagugutom. Can you imagine?
Per day yan.
Kahit sabihin mo pa na may entourage ang isang opisyal at kailangan ng mga pagkain, etc., hindi pa rin dapat 250,000.
Alam mo, we understand naman na may function or mayroong kailangan ganapin ng role ang isang vice president. Pero the mere fact na ang daming nagugutom, and sana naman we're more prudent with the way we spend, di ba? Why can't we get something much cheaper? Daily yan, ha?
Or itong ginasto sa safe houses na to, ito na lang yung binigay niya doon sa mga lumalapit sa kanya instead of referring them sa sa DSWD.
Basta medyo yan. But
diba?
let's see.
I don't know, pero
walang sagot kasi pa naman ng OVP as of now. We want to get their side. Of course, all sides all the time, we want to get their side.
Pero ito kasi
Medyo
mga,
malaki. 3 days
if you're
yan,
wondering, kung yung mga kababayan natin, yung mga viewers natin wondering, saan nila nakuha yung figures na yan, di ba? Ito pong figures na to, nakuha mula mismo sa Commission on Audit, dun sa mga resibo na ibinigay ng OVP.
Pirmado daw ng Vice President daw mismo.
So, talagang
Acknowledgement receipt.
galing yun sa opisina nila.
Galing kay VP Sara daw.
Yes.
Pirma.
Oo. So, may pinagbabasihan po yung pinag-uusapan natin ngayon ng mga figures. Ngayon, yung explanation nila kung tatanggapin natin o hindi, nasa sa atin yun. Diba? So far ngayon, wala pa silang ganun.
Kahit sabihin nila, hindi.
Kasi walang makakontak ngayon sa
8 million, 3 days. Madaming bahay naman yan. Sana naman, sige, madaming bahay. Baka magmura ang per day yan. Pero ang point is, sana binawasan nyo na lang para at least man lang yung 8 million hindi mo ginastos yan.
I was wondering kung itong safe houses na to ay yung parehas na binabanggit nila nung unang mga budget deliberation ng mga satellite offices ng OVP.
Hindi ko alam kasi ito 3 days to eh.
Iba to eh, no?
Yung satellite offices ng OVP, these are offices, long-term rental yan eh. So hindi per day. Ito per day ang bayad nila eh. In one day, may 3 million kang binayaran halos. Tapos sa second day, may 2 million ka. Ang mahal nun. Anyway, sana naman sumagot sila para malaman natin kung ano yung side nila.
Hindi ko rin kasi matanggap.
Siyempre, hindi natin alam yung explanation nila.
Oo, pero hindi ko talaga matanggap yung 1 million a day. Pero you have these poor people, na mga kababayan natin na nagugutom, na alam mo, simpleng bowl of rice hindi nila ma-afford.
Wala tayong ina-assume na may corruption. Ang sinasabi lang natin, we could have been more prudent in spending. Oo, dapat mas tayo maggumastos dahil alam natin madaming nagugutom.
Exactly. Dapat makailam tayo kasi pera natin yan, ginagastos na dyan.